Okay. All right. Welcome those who are new with me. Pratishka, welcome. Okay. We also have the Van and Xuan, right? What Xuan is that? Yun Xuan. Okay. All right. Remus, what happened to your video, Load so long, Okay. Then you load already, you on it, But don't load until the end of the lesson, Okay. All right. We are doing worksheet 40, okay? All these are preparing you all the basics, cannot go wrong. All right. So packet drinks. So in packs of 3. Okay, packs of 3. Okay, packs of 3 means per set. Okay, that means this is called 1 set. Each pack is $2.50. Okay, each pack. All right. So this is called 1 pack here to here. Okay. Find the most number of packet drinks that can be bought with a $15. So if the packet drinks are sold at a discount of 10%. All right, so this is on percentage. So when you have a percentage of discount 10%, that means the original price is always 100%. And so the number of the percentage you are paying is only 90%. Okay, that one very clear. You should be able to know by now. If I'm not too sure if everybody falls on the same day. Tuesday is your math paper, is it? Okay, tell me when is your math paper, everyone? Key into your chat function. When is math paper? Okay. Some say Tuesday. Yunshan say Tuesday. Who else Tuesday? If Wednesday, put Wednesday. Thursday, put Thursday. If tomorrow, say Monday. Wow, Brian got so many days to prepare. So good. Okay, Devin, very good. You got 2 more days to prepare. 3 days in fact. Yeah, so most of them should be done within this week one. Okay, so by then tomorrow, next week, I see you, Miss, all done ready. So good. Right now, Okay, so this week we take it as a revision, So Remus also never say when. So Remus no exam, so good. I want to be Remus class, have or have, Okay, wow, Remus Tuesday also, good. Okay, anyone didn't put in? Corinne? Yeah, Corinne is Friday. Corinne has the best one. Corinne, right? Corinne, let me check. Thursday. Okay. So by then, you must be able to do all this kind of sum very well already, Percentages. Okay. So original is 100%. All right, 100. With the discount, I'm going to use short form. Yes, DSCT, discount is 10%. Okay. So with this percent, now you have to pay right now. So you pay only how much? 90%. Okay. So you are going to find the cost after discount, right? So after discount is 90% multiplied by this. This one, if I am not wrong, you should get $2.25. Okay. Of course, you say, sure, I want to find the 10% first and use $2.50 minus. By all means, as long as you get down to the correct answer, everything is fine. All right. So this one is for 1 set. 1 set, that means packs of 3. Okay, so with a $15, you can buy many sets. Am I right? So how to find the many sets? You just use your $15 to divide. Okay, dollar divided by dollar will get set lah. That's for sure. And you get 6 and 2/3. Must write the 2/3. Okay, must write because you cannot put there 6 sets. They will never be equal. Teacher will minus mark from here. So in order to have a proper set, you will have 6 sets. Okay, 6 proper sets. With the other one, you cannot buy. Understand not? Okay. So next thing is, let me check. Okay, oops. Yeah, I wish. Who is the one who said I wish? Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so now the thing is that you got 6 sets. And each set has 3. So you get 18 packets. Okay, and so I have my 18 here. Okay, so far so good, All right, stop me when you don't understand. Stop me if you think I am too fast. Okay, but usually my this pace, most of them is say acceptable. Okay, so be truthful and honest and be frank. Even if you think it's too slow, you also can tell me. All right, I will adjust accordingly. Question number 2 is about angles and testing you on triangles. There are two triangles, PQR and PSR. Their condition here, what are the conditions? PQ is equals to QR. The moment PQ and QR are equal, that means this PQR is an isosceles triangle. Two equal sides. Two base equal angle, two base angles are equal. Okay, that is the condition, property. So you must know these two things. So look at the equal side. They gave you this and this. So where are the base angle? The base angle is 62 and angle QPR. Okay, so which are the two angle? Angle QPR and angle QRP. Okay, so these two are called base angle. And these base angles must be equal. All right, so meaning to say the 62 degree, right? So having said that, what other things you can find out? Okay, let's read the question. You have 62, 50, 34. Find Q, PS, which is this one that I want to color this in red. Oh, meaning to say, now I can focus on this thing. When I want to find the red angle, I must have something. I must have this thing called what? This one, small angle. How to find this angle? Very simple. I need to focus on this thing. Let me draw for you. So I'm going to focus on this triangle. Okay. So with this triangle, I'm going to do this. Okay, they give me a, sorry, I need to copy this. I'm going to put it here. Yeah. Sorry, copy and then put it here. And then to tell you that my yellow and my yellow triangle, I'm going to put here, you be this, and this. Am I able to find this angle? Yes. To find this angle, what can I do? All right. I can have angle sum of triangle, which three angles will add up to be 180 degrees. Okay, let me check. 28. Brian said 28. Okay, let's try to see whether did I get 28. So the next thing I need to do is angle SPR. It must be 180 minus 34 degree minus 62 plus the 50. Then you say, Cher, this one troublesome. Can I minus everything? Yes, go ahead. Okay, no fast rule, but answer must be correct. So this one is only 34 degree, which is here. 34 degree. Am I right, Mark? Am I right? Okay, no objection. All right, so when this is 34, can I write here this is 34 degree? Can, right? So can I find my right angle here? QPS. Yes, QPS. This is angle QPS, 62 minus 34. 6234, 28. Very good. Okay, so this one is, I draw this for the sake of the yellow angle. Am I too fast? Just to check. May I have your responses? I want to see whether you're paying attention. Okay, who else? Any opinion? Okay, some say good enough, some say okay, some say a little, can be a little faster. Okay. If I'm too slow, then let me know. Okay, thank you, Yunxian. Okay, thank you, Pratishka. All right, so this pace is okay. All right. Question number 3. Let's take a look. Okay. Ace has so much less than this, and this has so much more than this, and that total. Oh my god, this is something so much of how to say information. A, B, B, C. Then suddenly A, then C. So you do your so-called mind map. Okay. So you have AC, you have A. Then how? What do you think you can do? Mm-hmm. Oh, how now? Okay, let's check. Who can give me suggestion? Let's take a look. How can we do this?
Teacher,
First,
you're showing the answer.
yeah, going answer is okay. Okay. Because you have my answer, no choice. You still have to work it out. Okay. So the thing is, I always attach answer behind. Just for those who wants to look at back one. Because all this will be saved up inside the portal. Okay. A has lesser than B, B has more than C. So this is called comparison model, right? So when you have comparison model, this one you have learned it before in the lower P lah. The P3, P4 you learn already. So probably you can tell me who has the longest model, A, B, or C. Okay, I do this. Wait, give me a minute. See if I can find this something called poll. Okay, I'm going to create this question. My question to you is who, read here, you must read. Okay. Okay, choice you can say is A. You can wait, I type first, and type one choice will be this, and I have to launch this here. If you see, you can input your answer, okay, and I'll share your findings. My question to you is who has the longest bar? Wow. Only 2 answer. Then the rest of them don't know. Do what? 3 only, 4 only. 5 only. Then where are the rest? I should have 8 leh. Right. And then I got 5 responses. Oh. Okay. Some say A, some say B. Who is the one who say A? Share your results. Now look at it. If you think about it, A is already lesser than B. So A is out. Correct or not? And B is more than C. So B is the longest one. Am I right? Okay, so I'm going to draw B, the longest one. And probably I draw A. Oh, then now I have a question. I'm going to change my question. Okay. Maybe, wait. Okay, then I will have another poll. Say, wait. Okay, look the question and answer accordingly, okay? Remus, I have some for you. Okay, so who has the shortest bar now? My question to you. Some say A, some say B, some say C. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, then probably